What's up guys and gals, Brian Tong here at Unpacked. Check it out, obviously the beautiful, gorgeous Note 9 in my hand. You know, there's so many specs and details we can go through, but I wanted to kind of point out some of the significant ones that make it different. Let's check this out, right? This is a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen, and what's a little different is the bezel on the bottom is actually just slightly thinner to get you that extra screen real estate. Really nice. Obviously, this is the most feature-packed phone you have on planet Earth. We have the new S Pen here with all its functionality, and really there's a lot of potential that can be opened up here. I have a separate video that's gonna show you everything that this S Pen can do right out of the box right now. But we're also gonna keep on looking at this sweet design, right? It's all screen, it's gorgeous, but on the back side, it's been tweaked a little, right? We still have the 2 camera lens, 12 megapixels, dual aperture, one at 1.5 and one at 2.4. The rear fingerprint scanner though, right? It has its own dedicated area below the camera lens. And you might look at this phone and yeah, it looks very similar to the Note 8, but a lot of it is about the guts inside of here. Okay, 4,000 milliampere hour battery, a full day. That's something worth bragging about. You don't see, that's one of those things you don't see, but if it does deliver on that, you're gonna feel it. And I think that's one of those things that people are like, yo, my phone lasts a whole day, does yours? I think that's gonna be a standout feature for this as well. Also, the internal storage starts at 128 gigs. It goes up to 512. And the other aspect here, you know, we've seen it on the rumors and blogs, supports for a micro SD card up to 512. So we're talking about packing 1 terabyte of storage on this device. Another thing that they showed off that was really cool, the intelligent camera. And how does this work, right? When you're taking a picture, let's say that split second before you take a photo, if you blink, it tells you, hey, retake the picture. Or, you know, we tried playing with it and the camera moved in our hand and it was blurry for a second. It tells you to retake the picture. So not only do they have, right, these great dual lens, but you have this intelligent camera that really tries to get you the best photo. Another really cool thing about the Note 9 that people aren't really talking about is the fact that this comes packed with Dolby Atmos. You know I'm a huge Dolby Atmos fan, so I'm just gonna scroll down from the top and we're gonna pull this here and you'll see the Dolby Atmos logo right there. I'm just gonna press on it. And so here you can see Dolby Atmos. You can have it either on auto or you can optimize it for movies, for music, or your voice. But this is also really cool here. You can also manually tune the speakers however you want. You can check out the bass, the treble, the instrument, and vocal. It's tuned by AKG, but all you audio fans who are like, I want the best audio from a Note 9, you got Dolby Atmos. You know I love this stuff. Another little fun nugget, Fortnite is coming to Samsung devices. So if you're watching this right now, the beta, the Android beta, is available only exclusively on Samsung devices. So we're talking about the Galaxy S7 and higher, the Tab S3 and higher. It also comes with this really cool Galaxy skin. I know y'all into that, exclusive. So check it out right now. The Android beta for Fortnite starts today on this device. There's also a whole bunch of other things, right? They talked about Bixby. They showed off how it was more intelligent. I wasn't able to really necessarily grasp how much smarter it is. It's one of those things that you're gonna have to use day to day, see how much it really learns about you. The other aspect here, Samsung DeX, the ability to, you don't need a dock anymore, plug it directly in with an HDMI cable, and then really cool, be able to use your phone while the DeX system is showing on a big monitor. So this kind of can work independently while you're watching something like video content. And I know you all love your colors, so check it out. There's gonna be 4 launch colors. We have lavender, we have metallic copper, we have ocean blue, and we have midnight black. But right now, at least here in the US, we're talking about lavender and ocean blue. Midnight black and metallic copper may or may not show up in the US first, but at least that's the skinny that we got right now. All right, so there you have it. The Note 9 goes on sale August the 24th. No price has been officially announced yet, right? We have different configurations. But one of my first gut reaction to this, love the all-day battery life. I think that's gonna make this special. The design is obviously sweet, and this is the most feature-packed phone on planet Earth right now. You talk about S Pen, you talk about Bixby, you talk about DeX. It's all right here. So there you have it. We'll wait and see. Our final review coming soon. The Note 9, boom. 날 위해서라면 날 슬퍼도 기쁜 척할 수가 있었어 널 위해서라면